Hey everyone, it's almost Valentine's Day, so I thought I'd make a chocolate cake with cream cheese frosting drizzled in caramel. This recipe begins with 1 cup of water, 3 eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and the cake mix, and I just used a box of Duncan Hines. If I didn't already mention it, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and either spray your pan with a non-stick cooking spray or use a paper towel to spread some grease on the bottom and sides of the cake pan, and then sprinkle some flour in there and then shake out the excess. That'll keep your cake from sticking. The amount of time it will take to bake your cake will depend on the size pan you use and your oven, so just follow the directions on the box. After you have that mixed thoroughly, pour that in your pan and put that in the oven, and we'll get started on the frosting. I do have a stand mixer and a hand mixer, but sometimes it's just not worth the trouble to drag everything out for something this simple. For the frosting, you'll need 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of margarine. Make sure it's margarine, not butter, then it will spread easier. 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 tablespoon of milk. Any kind of milk is fine. Cream all that together with a spoon and then mix it a little bit with your hand mixer. And then add the powdered sugar just a little bit at a time, so that you don't end up with more on you and on the counter than in the bowl. This is a very creamy frosting, and it's so spreadable. It takes hardly any effort at all. So just mix that well, and when you're satisfied with it, you can go ahead and check on your cake, see if it's done. And when it's completely cooled, then you can begin frosting it. All right, the cake is completely cooled now, so I'm putting on this very, very creamy, fluffy frosting that is so easy to spread and very, very delicious. I bought a jar of caramel that I just put it in the microwave for about 15 seconds because it had been in the refrigerator. And then I'm using a pastry bag to drizzle that over the cake, but you don't have to. You can just pour it straight from the jar. So whether you buy a boxed cake mix or make your cake mix from scratch, give this recipe a try. The frosting is delicious, and I hope you'll make it for someone special in your life, or make it just for yourself. You're special too. So I would like to wish all of you a very happy Valentine's Day.